Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just in the winter garden this time of year. I'll show you around. I was going to show you on my last video some cauliflower, and here it is. That one. That one I think is the cauliflower. These above I think are radishes. And the little spiky ones, now it's still got its seed on. Those are the onions. In the back I've got peas. They seem really happy. The view from my shed. So peaceful here. Nice. Kiki's laying on a towel. She kind of likes to lay in the dirt. Bud's laying on the sun, in the sun. Precious is hunting lizards behind the air conditioner. Want to see it? Let's see if I can see what she's doing. Hi, Bud. So I think the lizard goes inside those little slats. So she just follows him around and around. Jackery has been hooked up to the panel, the old panel, all day. And let's see what we got here. I think it's 61. Yeah, 61. Nice hot sun. But it only started out at 60. So I think this old panel is just not working. 3 years, and has some places on it where you can see it's bent a little bit too much. And I think that's about how long they last, about 3 years. I was looking really closely at the pansies. I could see little aphids on them. Then I saw ants running around. And I heard that on these chair gardens, you can just put little containers of water under each leg. And that helps keep the ants out. Because of course the ants will feed the aphids. They like this, like it's their little farm. So it's working so far. And yes, I found one place online. It was the Old Farmer's Almanac online that said that broccoli and cauliflower seedlings look alike, as well as radishes. So I've been reading through this interesting version of the Bible. It's called the Contemporary English Version. And I've been looking at the book of Matthew. I was jotting down how many times it says that he healed people. And there were 15 individual times that he healed 15 individuals. And then twice it says that he healed everyone. The multitudes were coming to him. And once it said he healed all of them. And one other time it says he healed many. So I just thought that was really interesting, that he healed them all. Just like he does now. He heals us all. Just ask him. Believe in him. He's the God of the universe. He can do anything. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode. We'll see you on the next episode. Remember, Jesus loves you. Adios. Mwah. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye.